Hey YouTube, I'm making this video because I have a 2001 Mercedes E430, and every so often when I'm driving I'll have the ABS ESP light come on, and I lose my traction control and my analog brakes. So I'm going to show you what I'm replacing. It's a throttle position sensor, and this is a part here. I bought one off of Amazon for about $140. This is the old piece. Apparently there's two diodes in there that go bad, which causes a problem, and it's a simple fix. It just takes a 10mm wrench, which I have right here, 10mm. And this is a part right here. It's got two bolts, one here and one on the other side here, and I'll show you how to do it. So all you do is just get this first bolt here, and if it's on there tight, you could use another wrench for leverage to break it. Once it's broken, you should be able to do it by hand. First bolt here, and this one's already loose. Just don't drop them so you don't lose them. You got a spring here, so when you take it off, be careful not to drop it. And all you do, remove this plastic piece and the spring together, and the other piece just slides off. Undo your connection right here. All you do is, you could get this, just put it off to the side. This is just press two sides, wiggle it out, and you're done. So then you just put this back on here. Spring goes on here. Put this back on. When you get it, you're gonna put pressure on it so that it comes onto here. Screw back on. Just remember to put that clip back into place right there. My screws are able to tighten on by hand. Alright, those are hand tightened. Now to tighten them off with the wrench. Don't want to go crazy tightening them. Make sure they're nice and snug. And that's it. Alright, now just to drive around the road, and I'll let you know if it worked or not. Hope this helps you out.